Hey guys, today we are going to make crunchy chicken fry. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. For this recipe, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, also known as besan in Hindi. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and around 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves. To this I'm also going to add 1 egg, and we'll mix this together, and we'll add some water to make it into a smooth paste. To this I'm going to add around half a kilo of chicken. So I have taken chicken with bones, so if you don't like chicken with bones, you can take boneless chicken. And we'll mix this well. And keep this aside for half an hour. In a pan I've taken some oil for deep frying. So when the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken pieces to the oil for deep frying. And we'll fry this till our chicken becomes crunchy and it's cooked properly. After some time you can see that our chicken has been cooked properly, and we'll transfer it to another plate. Make sure you serve the chicken while it's hot. So that's all guys, our chicken is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more recipes in future.